السلام عليكم.
Hi, I speak English. Do you speak English?
اسمك عربي.
Hi, no, I am American and I am in Riyadh at this moment.
عربي اختي.
One second, I'm going to put you my friend. Hold on.
معك بوليس.
Can you? I need somebody who speak English. I am American. Excuse me?
أنت يبغى بوليس.
No, I can't call the police. I need to speak to somebody who speaks English. I am an American. You have to put me with somebody that speaks English. Hello? Hello?
الو.
Yes.
في احد دقيقة وننت خليك معي. في احد يعرف انجليزي يا شباب؟ انجليزي يا شباب. في احد يعرف انجليزي؟ في احد؟
Motherfucker. Yeah, but you hear them inside.
السلام عليكم.
Alaikum salam. My name is Melody Batule and I am an American. I am in Riyadh right now and I need to speak to somebody who speaks English.
عربي.
أنا بعرف عربية.
خلاص شوف نفر عربي كلام يلا.
I need to speak to somebody who speaks English.